Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. For today's episode guys, I'm going to share to you the latest new collection of Chanel. They have shown their collection Metiers 2023 and we are going to concentrate on the new bags that walk the runway. I'm so excited to be sharing these to you guys. So hope you enjoy and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
So as you know, Chanel has just showed their latest collection, Metiers 2023. This collection is one of my favorite that Chanel does, and I'm so excited to be sharing the new bags that they would be coming up for next year. Hope you enjoy! So let's start first with giant chain strap flap bags. As you can see here, we have like a mini rec / mini square, and as you're going to notice guys, look at those giant chain details. Here is another close-up in this lambskin orange color. What do you think guys of the giant non-adjustable shoulder strap? Is it a yes or no for you guys? Then we have this new flap bag. It's a combination of like a pouch and a flap bag combo. What do you think of the top handle design of this one for you guys? Is it interesting enough for you to add to your wish list? So here is another version in the yellow orange colorway. What do you think guys? Me honestly, I'm not really liking how you're going to carry the bag like this. So here's a closer look, because one of the reasons why I'm a little bit iffy about this new bag, you are already seeing the creases on this brand new Chanel flap bag. So this bag, we are going to see different details. It's like a combination of different bags as you're going to see here. The CC turn lock, it looks like a Chanel 19. And of course, the classic Chanel flap body. And then if we are going to see the sides guys, just like this one, it looks like a Chanel Le Boy or like the vintage Chanel that we are seeing on the pre-love market. What do you think? Next, we have the half moon shaped flap bag from Metiers 2023. So this is a smaller version. It's like a card holder size. Next is we have a more intricate half moon flap bag. As we are going to see, we are seeing the whip stitch detail at the flap of the bag. Very beautiful. Now let's move on to the top handle flap bags of Metiers 2023. So we have here the classic Coco Top Handle in this very beautiful floral, very vibrant color print. So here is another look on the runway. What do you think guys? I'm not really sure this time whether this is lambskin or satin. So these are the new design flap bags from the Metiers 2023. So this is made of black patent leather, and this one, it looks like a satchel bag or a school bag. Now let us move on to the very controversial Chanel 22. So the interesting on this bag would be the leather. If we are going to zoom in, you are going to see the very beautiful details of Chanel 22. And this Chanel 22 guys, OMG, when I have zoomed this bag, I died, because just look at the intricacy of the beadwork of this beautiful Chanel 22. Next, we move on to the highly embellished flap bags of Chanel. So here we have a sequin flap bag. This one looks like a lava to me. What do you think? Here we have vanity cases with embellished CC timeless logo design. This one is in pearl with white lambskin detail. Next flap bag. Honestly guys, this one is beautiful. However, for me, this is just too much embellishment for one bag. It's like I don't know where to look at this bag. Then we have a classic flap that looks like tweed, but if we are going to zoom in, then definitely there would be very special detail with this flap bag. So another vanity case with the embellished timeless CC logo. So we have more pearl embellished Chanel flap bag. Just look at the crystal embellishment on the Chanel seasonal flap bag, guys. What do you think? Just look at this teeny tiny bag, and the embellishment, guys, is the lion head of Chanel. How gorgeous is this one? With this bag, I'm not really sure what it looks like, but does it look like a backpack with a teeny tiny Chanel flap bag on front? Then we have the bamboo top handle bag. So here we have a Chanel camera case. And then we have a flap bag with bamboo top handle. So here's another look. What do you think, guys, of this new bag? Then we move on to the bowler top handle bags from the Metiers 2023. How beautiful is this pink? Very, very bubblegum Barbie pink. So gorgeous. Here we have the bowler bag in different color. Then we have this very beautiful Chanel micro bag. So we have the very beautiful CC logo in front. What do you think? So Chanel is bringing back this design. What do you think of this one? So this is in patent leather with a CC turn lock closure with the chain strap detail.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today, guys? So among the beautiful bags that we have showcased for today, which one is your favorite and which one would you like to add to your wish list? Please do comment down below. Would love to hear from each and every one of you guys. So guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Premier52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!